Okay, we're moving up the ladder because we're going to have a video, from a pole, camera pole video. But you just can't beat up and close and personal. So, you know, we're going to try and do that as well. Our rain gutters are full of debris. Coming along here, you get to see the quality of the shingles. A nice mid-grain shingle here. Our underlayment is over the drip edge, and our drip edge is over the rain gutter. That's actually a good thing. I am pleasantly surprised. I came up here looking for that. You know, it's almost a gimme, you know, so I can like write a real ferocious report, and which I'll be glad to do, you know. But the installation, those two particular details are impressive. Less impressive, we're in the sun, but you see the power vent up there, and then you see the ridge vents. Okay, that's called a mixed vent system. You might get some benefit from it. It might work better that way, but it actually is a code violation. It's a code violation. You should not have mixed vents, because the air will come in this vent and it'll go out the ridge vent above it, and when that happens, it's called a short cycle, and then we don't pull air out of the bottom of the attic. So I'll try and get a better example of that for us.